Hello students, today we are going to exercise number 2.6 and question number 6. So question is the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So इसके अंदर हमारे पास हरी एंड हैरी टू पर्सन्स आर देयर whose present ages the ratio of their present ages are 5:7. So let Hari's age 5x रेशो में गिवन है. ऑलवेज रेशो में जब भी पार्ट गिवन हो तो उसको हम वेरिएबल x लेट करते हुए कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. Similarly, Harry's age is 7x. 4 years from now. 4 years from now means after 4 years. After 4 years, from now, Harry's age is 5x plus 4 and Harry's age is 7x plus 4. 4 ऐड हो जाएगा क्योंकि उनकी आफ्टर 4 इयर्स हमने एज कैलकुलेट करनी थी, तो आफ्टर 4 इयर्स इनकी जो एज होगी वो +4 हो जाएगी, ऐड हो जाएगी. एंड रेशियो दिया हुआ है इन दोनों एजेस का, यानी अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन हमारे पास ये गिवन है कि 5x plus 4 और 7x plus 4 का जो रेशियो है यानी डिवाइडेशन जो है दैट इज इक्वल टू 3/4. हमें इसमें द प्रेजेंट एजेस निकालनी है, तो सबसे पहले इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे, लीनियर इक्वेशन, और x की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. टू फाइंड द लीनियर इक्वेशन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अगर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे सो 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5x plus 4 एंड 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 7x plus 4. सॉल्व करो, 5 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 20x, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा ये 4 दोनों के साथ, 4 का 4 से मल्टीप्लाई 16, 3 इंटू 7 21x, 3 इंटू 4 12. और सॉल्व करें वेरिएबल्स को ऑन वन साइड एंड प्लस 16 ऑन अनदर साइड. सो 20x minus 21x minus x, 12 minus 16 minus 4, minus 2 minus cancel, x is equal to 4. Put this value in Hari's age. So Hari's present age equals to 5 into 4, 20 years, and Harry's percentage equals to 7 into 4, 28 years. Is the answer of question number 6 in this exercise. Next question number 7 is the denominator of a rational number. Rational number means if we write any number in the form of p upon q, then it is called as a rational number. This p is called numerator and q is called denominator. So any rational number, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Greater than by 8 means 8 more than the numerator. So denominator is 8 more than the numerator. Let कर लेते हैं. Numerator is let numerator is x, then denominator is x plus 8, because it's given that denominator is 8 more than the numerator. Numerator से 8 more than है, 8 ऐड कर देंगे तो denominator को शो करेगा. Now rational number is numerator upon denominator. So x upon x plus 8 is the rational number. If the numerator is increased by 17, numerator increased, how much increased is there? 17. So x plus 17, and denominator is increased by 1. Denominator increased by 1, increased by 1, that means denominator is x plus 8. If we increase by 1, it will be x plus 9. The number obtained is 3/2. जो हमारे पास नंबर आ रहा है, इसमें डिक्रीज दिया हुआ है, सॉरी, इट इज डिक्रीज्ड, नॉट इंक्रीज्ड, डिक्रीज्ड. सो डिक्रीज मीन्स इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास डिक्रीज्ड है, डिक्रीज्ड बाय 1, दैट मीन्स -1. इफ वी डिक्रीज इट, इट विल बी 7, x plus 7. Now the number becomes 3/2. Number becomes 3/2 means the question is the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. Let the numerator is x, denominator is greater than by x is plus 8. The rational number is x upon x plus 8. If numerator is increased by 17, that means x plus 17, and denominator is decreased by 1. Decreased by 1 means subtracting 1. If we subtract 1, it is x plus 7. So now this number becomes 3/2. Numbers becomes 3/2. That means according to question, x plus 17 upon x plus 7 becomes 3/2. Again cross multiply. If we cross multiply, 2 multiplied by x plus 17, 3 multiplied by x plus 7. Solve this distributive property. 2x plus 34 equals to 3x plus 21. Took the variable one side, 34 on another side. Minus x equals to 21 minus 34 minus 13. So the value of x is equal to 13. That means numerator is 13. So the rational number is equal to x upon x plus 8. That means 13 upon 13 plus 8. Or we can write it as 13 upon 21 is the result. By this only we completed our chapter number 2, which is linear equation in one variable. So try to solve the questions related to this with example. If you have any doubt in this chapter, you can consult with me. and try to solve chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 also. Try to learn them. I will take test on Monday or Tuesday, whenever I got the time, maybe Saturday. On Saturday I will give you a test. Try to solve that at home at your own, we can say, honesty, and submit it on Monday. जो भी मैं टेस्ट दूंगा वो टेस्ट आपको सैटरडे को मैं टेस्ट दे दूंगा. आपके पास सैटरडे का टाइम होगा, फिक्स टाइमिंग होगा. फिक्स टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग ऑनेस्टली उस क्वेश्चन पेपर को करेंगे और आपके पेरेंट्स उसको ध्यान देंगे कि आप सेपरेट करते हुए कहीं कोई अदर मेथड्स का यूज़ करते हुए सॉल्व ना करें. और उसको जो पेपर है उसका क्वेश्चन आंसर जो है उसको आप मेरे को सबमिट करवाएंगे. सबमिट मंडे को करूँगा मैं. उसके बाद में मार्क्स वगैरह शो करते हुए उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर दूँगा. थैंक यू.